As we start our first part, I would like to invite our first guest, Ramy Mrad. Ramy, good afternoon.
Thank you so much for having me. So my name is Ramy Mrad. I'm a co-founder and CRO of a company called Equisy, board member and a mentor for various startups across EMEA. And I have been in the investment landscape for the past 15 years of my life. So I hope I can be of value for you today.
Thanks a lot, Ramy. And I have a first question. We started talking about the UK as an investment hub. So why the UK is a unique place for investors when it compared to European or other global startup hubs? What makes the UK ecosystem particularly attractive for investors today?
Well, very important question. I remember several times speaking to various peers in the ecosystem about this specific point, and specifically why Equisy is established actually in UK, unlike other places in the world, and definitely UK has its own unique appeal when it comes to the investment landscape, and it's not just only numbers, right? So it's the ability to reinvent itself as a tech powerhouse while staying globally connected with all of its parts. So what makes UK ecosystem attractive today is a combination between legacy and agility. So comparing to other ecosystems across the globe, like unlike Silicon Valley, where often it feels like they're trying to fight all the time to be number one, and that's what is in their mind, or other European investment ecosystem, which is quite fragmented to a certain extent. The UK thrives on cross-pollination, if I want to say, where finance meets deep tech and science meets creative industries. So not to mention that in 2025, investors are no longer just looking for the next unicorn, but rather they are looking for sustainable, scalable companies that solve complex problems. And that's what the UK excels in. This is because it really builds ecosystems rather than building only startups, whether they are AI in healthcare or fintech driving financial inclusions, etc., etc. So the real edge is that the UK isn't really betting on a specific industry, but rather it's betting on the convergence and the diversity of various industries, and that's where the magic happens.